there is a kind of loneliness no one warns you about before moving abroad. I had a lot of people with me. I had flatmates, roommates, I had a lot of co-workers with me, and then I did have a lot of students working at the same time, same mindset, same focus, but I still felt lonely in that very moment. And if you have felt this exact thing, then this video is for you. Honestly, like when I landed in Canada, it didn't really hit me that I moved countries. I was like, okay, because kyunki at the moment, in the beginning, everyone is very excited to go and explore a new place and see how everything falls for you. But it was same with me. I was also excited. To go out, to experience more things and to see how things are going to work out in my favor or what's actually waiting for me and all of those opportunities. But then it started hitting me. I was fine when I landed. मुझे इतना डिफरेंस ही नहीं फील हुआ कि मैंने इंडिया से कनाडा कब शिफ्ट कर लिया. I didn't realize, you know. I don't know if it's just me or if it's everyone out there जो ऐसा फील करता है. That's another hectic situation क्योंकि उस टाइम पे I was like juggling with life. कोविड टाइम पे everything was online, so मुझे एक सिटी से दूसरी सिटी शिफ्ट करना था and that was the hectic point क्योंकि तुम ऑलरेडी एक जगह शिफ्ट हो रहे हो फ्रॉम इंडिया टू कनाडा एंड देन फ्रॉम दैट प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. दैट्स अनदर जगल फॉर यू. तो मैंने वो सब ढूंढना स्टार्ट करा था एंड लुकिंग फॉर फ्लैट्स इज़ क्रेजी डिफिकल्ट इन कनाडा. But anyhow, you do, and you need to make connections, you need to talk to people around you. Plus crazy assignments, crazy assignments होती थी हमारी assignments. You need to make sure you're pulling up your grades every time. You cannot mess up even a single assignment. But to be very honest, ये सब इतना सब कुछ एक साथ हो रहा था. Shifting places, I was shifting places at the same time. I was starting my college in person at the same time क्योंकि previously it was just online. And then I was trying to make a group, make a circle, make a social life, but I was not really into it क्योंकि how do you make a circle and social life when your life is kind of scattered all around and you really need to figure कि मुझे अब क्या करना है, you know. But there's so many things to focus on. You cannot focus even on a single thing. चल रहा है, बहुत चीज़ें एक साथ हो रही हैं, but you know what, that is the exact moment that's gonna build you up in the best way possible. अगर तुम वो moment को overcome कर लेते हो, you actually outgrow that moment, then you are unstoppable and you know ways, you know how to deal with stuff, you know how to deal with situations and how to get out of those situations as well. Being an international student, you're moving countries, you're moving cities within the same country, you're starting in-person college life, you're trying to figure out your social life, you're trying to work along with your schooling and everything, and you're making sure that you're working enough number of hours to make yourself survive in an expensive country. And I started thinking that why am I here, what's going around? But to be very honest, you need to accept the fact that this is the life you picked for yourself, and that's how things are gonna go. Either it's in your favor or you just need to bring everything in your favor. That's how things go, and you just need to juggle, you just need to find where life takes you eventually. And on top of that, it is so difficult to make friends out there क्योंकि on a very serious note, no one is ready to have a social life. No one really wants to be involved in any kind of conversations, communications, just coming there to study, to make sure we're putting our attendance on time, and then everyone is leaving and going on their part-time jobs, full-time jobs, 2 shifts. Everyone is so busy in their lives that they don't have a single second. And being a part of that group, of that very group, I felt कि हाँ यार मेरे पास भी टाइम नहीं था. मैं खुद लोगों से इतना बात नहीं कर पाती थी, you know, being able to give that time क्योंकि I also used to like go there, make sure I'm giving my attendance, make sure I'm pulling myself into work, I'm making myself present in all of those classes and subjects. And then library में जाकर I used to make sure कि मेरी सारी assignments complete हो रही है क्योंकि there are so many assignments of each and every subject. उसका track रखना भी it's not easy. कि तुम्हें बहुत बच्चे ना skip भी कर देते थे assignment कि यार ये तो हुआ ही नहीं, I didn't even know when this happened. So all of those things, हर चीज़ का track रखना and then making sure, and then also choosing a job which is according to your study time, वो भी बहुत difficult होता है. So yeah, my only point of making this video today is basically to let you all know कि it's not what we always think it's gonna be like. क्योंकि मैंने भी जब मैं इंडिया से कनाडा मूव होने वाली थी, I thought so many things कि okay, a lot of opportunities are coming, I'll explore, I know how to handle things and I will be able to do that. But वो सब चीज़ें जब तुम्हें हिट करती हैं, when you actually move, when you actually at a point where there's no one around you to talk to, when there's no one to depend upon, you're the only person and you are your only backup plan, that's where तुम्हें realize होगा कि yes, I took that step and now there's no going back. You will have opportunities, you will be confident, you will get to do all of that, but before you move to that step there will be a crash out point जहाँ पे तुम्हें feel होएगा कि नहीं हो रहा मुझसे अब and I want to go back or I need someone or I just can't do it anymore. There are so many things involved. That is the point you need to overgrow, and if I can, you can as well. A lot of people do that, a lot of people go through it, but make sure that you are not alone in that situation. And if you really need someone, talk to your family, talk to your friends back home, because they are your comfort zone and they are the only people who are going to give you the bestest advice possible. So yeah, it will not be easy, a lot of things will go wrong, life is going to take exams and you need to pass every single time, and you will. I know it's not that difficult, but for a lot of people it is, and for me also there was that point जहाँ पे I felt कि यार क्यों ही चल रहा है, क्यों ही कर रही हूँ, you know. But you keep going. Make sure to keep distractions in your life. Keep yourself involved in something or the other thing. अगर आपके पास job नहीं है, pick any creative field, pick a creative insight in your life. Maybe it's painting, maybe it's art, maybe it's dancing, maybe exploring a random edit, or if you're into graphics, designing, do something that keeps you involved, that keeps your creativity alive within yourself. And a long time अपनी job पर focus करो, अपने काम पे focus करो, make sure आपकी assignments time पे हो रही हैं. All of these things needs to be done. प्लस खुद पर फोकस करना मत भूलो, अपनी हेल्थ ख़राब मत करो वहाँ जाकर. आई हैव सो मैनी फ्रेंड्स जो वहाँ जाकर लिटरली दे स्पॉइल देयर हेल्थ. दे डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, दे डोंट नो हाउ हेल्दी दे आर नॉट इवन ईटिंग एट ऑल, बिकॉज तुम्हारे पास टाइम नहीं होता खुद के लिए, खाना बनाने के लिए, सोचने के लिए भी कि क्या बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है, ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग क्या होती है, कैसे करते हैं. इन सब चीज़ों को भी दिमाग में रख के आना है दैट यू नीड टू कुक, यू नीड टू प्रोवाइड फॉर योर सेल्फ. ऑल इन ऑल इतना भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है चीज़ें. अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी ईजी एंड देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल टू हेल्प यू आउट. असाइनमेंट्स नहीं हो रही हैं, योर टीचर्स आर गोना रियली बी वेरी सपोर्टिव, बिकॉज मेरे कॉलेज में अ लॉट ऑफ टीचर्स वर रियली सपोर्टिव. एनी क्वेश्चंस आई हैड दे वर ऑलवेज देयर टू आंसर बैक एंड टॉक टू. So make sure you're at least getting the support that you are getting in college, in your education. Talk to your friends with your assignments and everything, and make sure you have people around you. Make sure you're talking to someone and not just isolating yourself. It goes crazy sometimes. And the only thing I'd advise you, it's a very fun way. When you feel stressed, when you feel anxious, जब तुम्हें लग रहा है कि यार अब क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना, when there's so many questions going on in your life, the only thing I want you to do is distract yourself. And my way of distracting is to watch a stand-up comedy straight away. That's it, without thinking twice. It gives you a different perspective into life. You actually start feeling कि life is not that serious and it's not supposed to be that serious. So take it easy. Have fun. Yes, I am here to give you the reality checks, but I'm not here to tell you that don't come to Canada. You can come to Canada, but make sure you're having real expectations and you know that you can actually get along with those things. And even if you don't, you always can come back. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. There's a lot of more things I want to talk to you all about. But अपनी कोई journey share करनी है, या if you have any questions maybe related to PR, related to immigration, related to how to find places in Canada and education, colleges, do let me know and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you.